How to download and register as teacher on Chimple Class App. Open Google Play Store app in your phone, click on the search bar and type in Chimple Class. Identify the app through this logo. Tap on the Chimple Class icon and click the install button. It will start downloading. Once the download is complete, tap on the open button and you will have the access to the Chimple Class app. If you are a new user, you will have to register and create a new account as a teacher. On the landing screen at the bottom, there is a button you will see, Don't have an account. Click on Register. Here, there are two ways to register. One, using your 10-digit mobile number and second, using your Gmail address. Let's first learn how to register with a mobile number. You will see a camera icon with an edit mark under it. Click on the camera icon. You will be taken to the option of either clicking the picture or adding an image from your gallery. Based on your preference, select and add a profile picture of yourself. Enter your full name in the first tab. Enter your 10-digit mobile number and click on Register. After clicking on the Register button, you will be notified via an SMS with a 6-digit OTP. A box will pop on the app screen where you need to enter the 6-digit OTP. Once the app accepts the OTP, you have successfully registered and created your teacher account with your mobile number. Another method to register and create a teacher account is through email address. On the landing screen at the bottom, there is a button you will see, Don't have an account. Click on Register. On the screen, right side below the phone number, you will find Use email instead. Click on it. The screen shows the option of entering necessary details, your email address, add the password, re-enter the password for verification and click on Register. You will receive a verification email from the Chimple Class team on the registered email address. Verify the email by clicking on the link displayed in the email. Once the link is verified, you have successfully registered and created your teacher account through your email address. For existing Chimple Class users, to log in through mobile number, enter the registered mobile number and the OTP received, and you are in the app. To log in via the registered email ID, go to Use email instead and enter the mail ID and password, and you are in the app. To log in via Google ID, click on Continue with Google. The drop-down will ask you to log in through the registered email ID. Enter the preferred email address and you are in the app.